What is the best project management software for your team? If you're looking for a powerful, flexible, and easy-to-use solution, then you might be considering Smartsheet. But what if you're not sure if Smartsheet is the right fit for you? In this video, we'll take a look at some of Smartsheet's competitors and see how they stack up. What is Smartsheet? Smartsheet is a cloud-based project management platform that allows you to manage tasks, projects, and workflows in one place. It's a very powerful tool that can be used for a variety of purposes, including project management. Smartsheet provides a variety of tools to help you plan, track, and manage your projects. Task management. Smartsheet makes it easy to create tasks, assign them to team members, and track their progress. Workflow automation. Smartsheet can be used to automate repetitive tasks, saving you time and effort. Collaboration. Smartsheet makes it easy to collaborate with team members and stakeholders. Smartsheet's competitors. There are a number of Smartsheet competitors on the market, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Here are a few of the most popular options. Asana. Asana is a project management software that is similar to Smartsheet in many ways. It offers a variety of features, including task management, project management, and workflow automation. Asana is a good choice for teams that are looking for a simple and easy-to-use solution. Trello. Trello is a project management tool that is designed to be visual and easy to use. It's a good choice for teams that are looking for a simple and collaborative solution. Microsoft Project. Microsoft Project is a project management software that is part of the Microsoft Office suite. It's a very powerful tool that offers a wide range of features, but it can be complex to use. Monday.com. Monday.com is a project management software that is designed to be flexible and customizable. It's a good choice for teams that are looking for a solution that can be tailored to their specific needs. How to choose the right competitor for you. When choosing a Smartsheet competitor, it's important to consider your specific needs and requirements. What features are most important to you? How easy is the software to use? How much does it cost? Once you've considered your needs, you can start to compare the different options. You can read reviews, watch videos, and even try out some of the software yourself. Smartsheet is a powerful project management platform that offers a variety of features and benefits. However, it's not the right choice for everyone. If you're looking for a simpler and more affordable solution, then one of Smartsheet's competitors might be a better fit for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.